This is the phone that shouldn't exist. It's got a 6.3-inch screen, making it one of the most compact flagships on the market. But inside, Oppo managed to cram a massive 7,025 mAh battery. And the cameras? They didn't just give us one 200-megapixel sensor, they gave us two. Is the Oppo Find X9s Pro the ultimate small phone, or are there hidden compromises? Let's find out. First off, the ergonomics. At 198 grams, it has a satisfying heft without feeling bulky. The display is a 6.32-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with a 144Hz refresh rate. But the real story here is the bezels. They are just 1.15 millimeter thin and perfectly symmetrical. It gives the phone this edge-to-edge floating look that honestly makes the iPhone look a bit dated. Also, notice this? The Snap Key. It's a customizable physical button for your camera or AI tools, a huge win for tactile fans. Under the hood, we aren't seeing Snapdragon here. Instead, Oppo went with the MediaTek Dimensity 9500. Don't let that fool you. Benchmark-wise, this thing is a beast, specifically in single-core performance. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and ColorOS 16.1, everything is fluid. It handles heat surprisingly well, likely thanks to the new vapor chamber cooling system tucked into this small chassis. Now the cameras. This is a Hasselblad-tuned triple threat. The main sensor is a 200-megapixel beast, but the showstopper is the 200-megapixel periscope telephoto. It offers 3x optical zoom, but because the resolution is so high, the digital crop up to 10x looks nearly indistinguishable from optical. The colors are natural, the dynamic range is wide, and the new Master Mode gives you pro-level control over vignetting and saturation. It's easily one of the best pocket cameras we've ever tested. And then there's the battery, 7,025 mAh. In a phone this size, that is unheard of. The display is a 6.32-inch. In our testing, this is a legitimate 2-day phone for most users. When you do run low, the 80-watt wired charging gets you back to full in under an hour, and there's 50 watts wireless support too. Oppo is really flexing their engineering muscles here. So the verdict? The Oppo Find X9s Pro is for the person who wants it all, but hates giant phones. You get elite battery life, top-tier cameras, and a stunning compact design. The only real catch? It might be hard to find outside of China initially, but if you can get your hands on one, this is the compact flagship to beat in 2026. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.